Imagine a construction site where machines think, plan, and act on their own. No drivers, no diesel smoke, just clean, smart, self-operating giants reshaping our world. It sounds like science fiction, but it's already happening. In this video, we'll explore the cutting-edge technologies transforming construction: AI, automation, electrification, and beyond. But here's the twist. Only if you subscribe will you find out how far this revolution goes. Stay until the end. It might just blow your mind. Autonomous machines are taking over. Once a fantasy of futuristic fiction, autonomous construction equipment is now a powerful reality. Around the globe, construction sites are being transformed by intelligent machines that no longer need a human in the cab. The benefits? Fewer accidents, more efficiency, and round-the-clock productivity. Let's start with Caterpillar, a pioneer in the field. Through its CAT command system, operators can now control dozers and excavators remotely from miles away, sometimes even from different continents. These machines use advanced GPS, LiDAR sensors, and AI algorithms to follow site plans with precision, reduce fuel consumption, and work tirelessly without coffee breaks. Mining companies were the first to adapt this technology. Giant haul trucks in remote areas of Australia have been driving themselves for years, navigating complex routes and adjusting in real time to shifting terrain. But what started in mining has now reached mainstream construction. Volvo Construction Equipment has introduced autonomous wheel loaders and haulers designed to work in harmony like a robotic orchestra. Their LX03 concept loader, inspired by Lego, is fully electric and smart enough to make decisions on the fly, like choosing the safest route or rerouting to avoid obstacles. It's not just impressive, it's game-changing. Another standout is the Chinese giant XCMG. They've launched the first fully remote-controlled intelligent excavator, combining 5G connectivity with real-time video, haptic feedback, and edge AI. Operators receive tactile resistance in their controls, as if they were actually sitting inside the machine. Its telepresence taken to the next level. As construction costs soar and labor shortages become a global concern, autonomous equipment offers a compelling solution. Machines don't call in sick, don't get tired, and can be deployed in hazardous environments where human life would be at risk. But this transformation doesn't mean operators are obsolete. Instead, their roles are evolving, from manual labor to high-tech supervision. The operator of the future might be more coder than contractor. And this is just the beginning. With AI learning from every scoop, every push, every shift in soil, the machines are getting smarter day by day. Electrification on the rise. The days of roaring diesel engines and clouds of exhaust on construction sites are numbered. A quiet, clean revolution is gaining ground. Electric and hydrogen-powered construction equipment is reshaping the future of building. What once seemed unthinkable for massive machinery is now becoming standard. Leading the charge is Volvo Construction Equipment. Their electric site project is a glimpse into a near future where entire construction zones run on renewable energy. During a pilot in Sweden, Volvo's fully electric machinery achieved a 98% reduction in carbon emissions, 70% lower energy costs, and 40% improvement in operator safety. These aren't marginal gains, they're monumental. Hyundai is pushing boundaries as well. Their HX230L electric excavator offers up to 8 hours of operating time on a single charge, making it perfect for daily workloads without compromise. But Hyundai isn't stopping at batteries. They're also pioneering hydrogen fuel cell technology with the HW155H wheeled excavator. Hydrogen offers quick refueling and higher endurance, especially for larger construction tasks. Meanwhile, Liebherr, a trusted name in heavy equipment, has unveiled hydrogen-powered wheel loaders like the L566H. Their focus lies not only on sustainability, but also on matching the raw power of traditional diesel machines. Early testing shows comparable strength and torque, but with zero tailpipe emissions. What's driving this shift? It's not just about being green. Stricter environmental regulations, rising fuel prices, and public pressure for sustainable practices are all turning up the heat. Construction companies that adopt electric fleets are finding not only lower emissions, but also less noise pollution, lower maintenance costs, and better worker health conditions. Of course, challenges remain. Charging infrastructure needs expansion. Hydrogen supply is still developing. But as cities and governments commit to zero emission goals, the momentum is unstoppable. Electrification isn't just a trend, it's a tectonic shift. The next time you walk past a construction site and don't hear the roar of engines, that silence might be the sound of progress. AI and digitization optimize construction. The construction site is no longer just a place of brute force. It's becoming a smart, connected environment driven by data. Artificial intelligence and digital tools are quietly revolutionizing how projects are planned, managed, and executed. One of the leading players in this space is Trimble, whose advanced positioning systems and AI-powered tools allow for centimeter-level precision in everything from grading to concrete pouring. By analyzing data in real time, Trimble's systems optimize workflows, reduce waste, and improve job site safety. Machines don't just act, they learn to adapt. Case Construction Equipment is also pushing digitization forward. Their MyCase construction platform offers a complete digital ecosystem for fleet management, maintenance alerts, and telematics. Imagine receiving a message that your excavator needs an oil change before it even shows signs of wear. This kind of predictive maintenance is saving time, extending machine lifespans, and preventing costly breakdowns. AI isn't limited to machines. Building information modeling, or BIM systems, are using machine learning to predict scheduling conflicts, budget overruns, and safety hazards before they happen. Construction managers are becoming data analysts, able to foresee bottlenecks and optimize timelines with a few clicks. Digital twins are another breakthrough. These virtual models of real construction sites are continuously updated with sensor data, creating a live replica of the project in progress. Engineers can walk through the digital site in VR, test changes, and detect errors before any materials are touched. And it goes deeper. AI can now scan job site photos and identify risks, like workers without helmets or unsafe scaffoldings, sending instant alerts to supervisors. This kind of oversight used to require a human eye on every corner. Now, it's automated, fast, and scalable. The synergy between AI and digitization isn't just about automation. It's about insight, smarter planning, faster decision-making, and a level of control that turns even the most chaotic job site into a streamlined operation. We're no longer building with just bricks and steel. We're building with data. Hyundai and Liebherr set new standards. Two global giants, Hyundai and Liebherr, are not just adapting to the future of construction equipment, they're actively shaping it. Through innovation in electric power, hydrogen fuel, and smart automation, these companies are redefining what heavy machinery can do. Let's start with Hyundai Construction Equipment, which made waves at Bauma 2025 with a lineup of cutting-edge models. The HX230L, an electric crawler excavator, delivers up to 8 hours of runtime on a single charge, enough to power through a full day on the job. It's silent, efficient, and packed with tech features like intelligent load sensing and real-time diagnostics. But Hyundai isn't putting all its bets on batteries. Enter the HW155H, a hydrogen-powered wheeled excavator that combines zero emissions with extended endurance and fast refueling. It's especially ideal for remote areas or large infrastructure projects where downtime isn't an option. Hydrogen offers the energy density of diesel without the environmental cost. On the other side of Europe, Liebherr is pushing boundaries in both automation and green tech. Their L566H, a hydrogen-powered wheel loader, doesn't just match the performance of its diesel counterparts, it sets new benchmarks. Liebherr is also exploring modular hybrid systems, allowing machines to switch seamlessly between electric, hydrogen, and traditional power based on site standards. Liebherr's investment in autonomy is equally impressive. Their intelligent assistance systems enable semi-autonomous operation with real-time terrain analysis, load optimization, and hazard detection. These features reduce operator fatigue and improve job site safety without removing the human entirely from the loop. What sets both companies apart is their holistic approach. They're not just building machines, they're building ecosystems. From integrated telematics and AI platforms to cross-machine communication protocols, Hyundai and Liebherr are making sure their equipment isn't just powerful, but also smart and connected. This isn't about keeping up with the industry, it's about leading it. When construction giants make bold moves like these, they raise the bar for everyone else. The future of construction isn't coming, it's already here. Autonomous machines, electric engines, hydrogen power, and AI are transforming the job site into a hub of innovation. These changes aren't theoretical, they're working in the field today, improving safety, slashing emissions, and boosting productivity. Companies embracing this shift now are not just surviving, they're leading. The real question is, will you watch the revolution happen or be a part of it? Because the next building you pass might not be built by people alone, but by smart, self-learning machines, building the future, one scoop at a time. Are you ready to witness the full transformation of construction? This is just the beginning. Subscribe now to stay ahead. Don't just watch the future happen, be part of it. Click that bell, leave a comment, and let us know which innovation blew your mind the most. This revolution is building, brick by bite.